Hello students, myself Mrs. Kirti Pramod Sapare, and today we are going to see new topic, that is Introduction to Budgeting Part 1. Learning Objectives. After seeing this video, the students will be able to define budget and budgetary control, explain objectives, advantages and limitations of budgetary control, describe requirements of effective budgeting, and explain organization of budgetary control. Budget. What is budget? A budget is a written plan covering projected activities of a firm for a definite period of time. Budget must be measurable, actionable, and realistic. Budgetary control. Budgetary control involves a constant checking and evaluation of actual results achieved and compared with budget goals, which enables the management to take corrective action where indicated. Objectives of budgetary control. The main objectives of budgetary control are planning, coordination, and control. Planning. A sound planning is necessary for success of a firm. It is necessary to prepare detailed programs relating to production, raw materials, sales targets, research programs, advertising, etc. Second objective, that is coordination. For effective planning, coordination between different departments and management is necessary. Budgetary control helps to coordinate various activities of firm. Third objective, that is control. Control is necessary to ensure that all the plans and objectives are implemented and achieved successfully. This is possible through budgetary control, which controls the business by comparing actual performance with predetermined plans. Next part, that is advantages of budgetary control. There are numerous advantages of budgetary control, out of which we are going to discuss only 11 now. First, budgetary control combines the idea of all the levels of management in the preparation of budget. Second, it directs capital expenditure in the most profitable channels. The budget of cash receipts and expenditure ensures sufficient working capital. Budget coordinates the activities of different departments by laying down the limits and targets for them. In a budget, responsibilities may be fixed for particular individuals. Any deviations from budgets point out weak spots and insufficiencies, and thus remedial actions can be taken. Budget make utilization of man, material, and machines. Budget provides yardstick or measurement tool by which actual results achieved can be measured. The forecast of sales enables the management to work out economic balance between plant, machinery, and storage. The budget serves as stimuli to meet predetermined goals for both income and expenses. The efficient operation of entire unit depends upon all the employees working towards a common goal, which is ensured by the budget. Next part, that is limitations of budgetary control. We are going to consider 5 limitations. First, the budget plan is based upon estimates. The strength or weakness of budgetary control depends to a large extent on the degree of accuracy with which estimates are made. Budgetary program must be continuously improved to fit changing circumstances. Various techniques must be tried, improved, or discarded or replaced by others. Normally, it takes several years to maintain a reasonably good system of budgetary control. All the management must, however, participate enthusiastically in the program of the realization of budgetary goals. Budgetary control does not replace the management, but in fact it is a tool of a management. Operating a budget becomes so costly that small concerns cannot afford to adopt it. Next part, that is requirement of effective budgeting. There are 10 requirements are listed which will be helpful to prepare effective budget. First, For effective budgeting, cooperation from the top management is required. Second, clearly defined organization. Good organization within the business has to be developed for effective budgeting. Third, accurate accounting system. It helps in holding each part of the organization responsible. Fourth, unambiguous or clear policies. Clearly defined business policy has to be adopted. Next, preparation by responsible executive. Implementation of budget program can be achieved by appointing responsible executive. Next, constant vigilance. It helps to compare the actual result achieved and therefore immediate remedial action can be taken. Next, budget committee. Budget committee should be established for successful implementation of budget. Next is reasonable cost of operation. Cost should not be more to operate its worth. Next, reasonably attainable goals. The budget figure should be realistic and goals can be attainable. Next, continuous budget education. It provides information about the objectives, potential and techniques of budgeting to their employees. Next, organization for budgetary control. Following requirements or following points are essential for organizing budgetary control. These are establishment of budget center, introduction of adequate accounting records, preparation of an organization chart, formation of a budget committee, preparation of budget manual, fixation of budget period, general instructions and determination of key factors. Let's discuss one by one. First, organization for budgetary control is establishing budget center. A cell is set up in each department of the firm for the purpose of preparing its own budget under the guidance of head of the department, that is HOD. Next, introduction of adequate accounting records. Before establishing a budgetary control system, a firm's accounting system is able to record and analyze the information required for preparation of a budget. Third, preparation of an organization chart. An organization chart which defines the functions and responsibilities of each member of the management is prepared. Thus, each one in the management knows his position in the organization and his relationship to other members. Fourth, establishment of budget committee. In a large business organizations, a budget committee consists of chief executive, the budget officer and head of all the main departments. Each member will prepare his own initial budget or budgets which will be then considered by the committee, and all the budget will be coordinated at the end. Fifth point for organization of budgetary control, that is preparation of budget manual. Budget manual is a document which sets out the duties of a person responsible for the routine operation of the budget, and it forms the records required for budgetary control. It is usually in the loose leaf form, so alterations can be easily made as and when required. An index may be provided so that information can be easily located. Next point, that is fixation of budget period. Budget period may be defined as the period for which the budget is prepared and employed. There is no prescribed period for a budget. Budget may be prepared on a short or long term period. The budget period is generally the accounting year subdivided into 12 months. Next is general instructions in a technique. This is meant for all those who are concerned with operating the budget system. All the person involved in a budget must be well acquainted with the target fixed and every one of them, and as well as their role in the fulfillment of all the targets. Last point, that is determination of key factors. Key factor means the factor, the extent of whose influence must be first assessed in order to ensure that functions of budgets are reasonably capable of fulfillment of targets. The key factors are also known as limiting or governing or principal budget factors. Key factor is of vital importance since it determines the priorities in functional budget. Sale is a main key factor in the industry. So all these are related to organization for budgetary control. These are the references for the today's topic. We will continue with the next part of the budgetary control next time. Thank you for patient listening.